Hi guys, it's Lindsay and today we are doing my DIY bathroom makeover. I am so excited to share this video with you guys. This is just like a non-permanent, removable bathroom renovation that you can do in your apartment or your home if you're leasing or renting. It's great for a dorm room where if you can't paint or really make any permanent changes, it's the perfect upgrade to give a little facelift to your bathroom and just make it look fab and glam and just totally elegant and beautiful. The transformation is incredible. So I'm gonna bring you guys in there with me and show you how I transformed the space. Hopefully you love it. It turned out exactly how I wanted. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you're the first to see my all new videos. Okay, so let's head over to the bathroom, and as always, I'll leave everything I used in the description box below for you guys.
Okay, so you're going to want to start with contact paper. I used marble contact paper for the countertops, and you're just going to want to roll it out so you know exactly what size you're going to need. I did this in 2 giant pieces, and then I just cut it out around the sink. Then go in with like a plastic paint tool, or you can literally just use like a credit card or a grocery store card to go ahead and work in little tiny sections bit by bit to push out any air bubbles and make sure it's completely flat and stuck onto the surface, going around all the little creases and crevices and folding it right over the top of the countertop. And just go ahead and do this to each side until the top of the countertop is fully covered. Then go ahead and pick a color for your cabinets. I did white. This stuff is literally just like a giant sticker, you guys. It's so easy. Just go ahead and cut it to size and peel off the back and use your little card to press out all the air bubbles and stick it right to the surface, folding it over the top and making sure it's snug on there. And I got these faux crystal knobs on Amazon for really cheap, but they're just really pretty and sparkly just to replace the original hardware. And you guys, that was it for the cabinets and the countertops. I also covered this old set of drawers that I had to match the countertops and the cabinets that I had in the bathroom for a little accent piece, and it looked so good and really tied everything together. Okay, then to do the framed mirror, don't skip this step, you guys. This makes it look so good and it's so easy. I basically just went to my local hardware store and got some crown molding. They cut it in the store for you, so just make sure you know the dimensions of your mirror. And then I went ahead and got some velcro command strips, and you put one side on the mirror and the other side onto your crown molding and just push it right on. I went ahead and glued the 4 pieces of crown molding together with some wood glue on my floor beforehand, and once it dried, I picked it up in one big piece and pressed it right into place, and it seriously looks so good. Then go ahead with some decorations and make it your own. I went ahead and added just some faux flowers, a candle, and some stuff to make it look really elegant. I also replaced the towel holder with a little crystal one I got from Amazon. And you know me, I love a good chandelier, so right above the sink, I just screwed in this really cute acrylic candelabra chandelier, and it adds just a really beautiful touch.
So, do you guys love it as much as I do? I'm obsessed. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, be sure to go follow me on social media. Tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations and see which parts of the bathroom makeover you decided to give a try. Or share this video with somebody who you know would totally dig this bathroom makeover.
And as for removal, you guys, it's literally as easy as peeling off a sticker. It comes right off. There's no damage to your cabinets or your countertops. It's literally the same way you left it. It's so easy. And this lasted for like about 3 years in my apartment with little to no damage, you guys. The countertops just wipe clean super easy with a paper towel. The water didn't peel off the contact paper or anything like that. It totally lasted and looked just so good while I had it on.
And if you guys loved this video, be sure to tap the thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what kind of other, renovations or home makeovers you guys would like to see. I do tons of them in my apartment, and I've got plenty of ideas for you, so let me know down below what you're interested in. All right, thanks so much for watching and leaving me comments. You guys are the best. I love you so much, and I'll see you right here next time. Bye, guys. Okay, super excited about today's YouTube video. We are doing a bathroom transformation with renovation ideas that are semi-permanent or removable to totally transform the space. We are framing the mirror. We've got some faux marble countertops.